As a software algorithms and networking engineer, you'll be involved in making these cars move autonomously. Imagine a mini city full of self-driving cars.
There are two roles involved in the ITS software team. Some of you will be working on the traffic algorithms, and some of you will be working on the networking.
Traffic algorithms involve handling vehicle logic, controlling the flow of traffic, and monitoring intersections. In the networking team, you will be connecting cars so that all the necessary information is being shared amongst themselves.
Never coded a traffic algorithm before?
That's okay, you'll learn all about that when you join.
Join us to help build the future of autonomous mobility.